In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use canvases in Slack 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a canvas into the right conversation so everyone has the information they need, right where they're already working. Let's start with what a canvas is. Think of a canvas as a living document inside Slack, perfect for agendas, project briefs, links, checklists, or any notes your team references often. Instead of pasting long messages or hunting through files, you can insert a canvas directly into a chat so people can open it, read, and collaborate without leaving the thread. First, head to the place where the canvas belongs. Open the direct message or the channel where you want to reference it. Choosing the right spot matters, because the people in that conversation will be the ones who can see and use the canvas. If it's a project update, drop it in the project channel. If it's a one-on-one agenda, place it in your DM. Keeping canvases contextually anchored helps reduce noise and keeps work discoverable later. Next, look at the message box at the bottom. Click the plus icon to the left of where you type. This opens the menu of things you can add to your message. On desktop, it's a small plus. On mobile, it may appear as an add or attachment button. Either way, you're looking for the same menu of options you can insert. From that menu, choose Canvas. This tells Slack you want to reference an existing canvas in your message. If you don't immediately see the canvas option, make sure you're on a recent version of Slack, or check whether your workspace has access to canvases. When it's available, selecting it will open a picker. Now you'll see a list or search view of canvases available to you. Click and select the one you want. Use the search bar to find it by title or keyword, and skim the preview to confirm it's the right document. It helps to look for recognizable titles and any recent updates, so you're attaching the most current version. Selecting the correct canvas here ensures your teammates land on exactly what you intend them to see. Finally, click Insert. Slack will drop a rich preview of that canvas into your message composer. At this point, consider adding a short line of context above or below the preview, something like why you're sharing it or what you want people to review, so recipients know how to engage with it. The canvas stays linked, up to date, and easy to reopen later from the conversation. That's it. You've placed the right information in the right place, with minimal effort, and your team can get to work immediately.